Alright guys, this is the new project, 2-family, Springfield, Mass. Just purchased it. Gonna do some updating and get this thing on the market ASAP. Garage needs a little bit of work. A lot of cosmetics. Great yard. I'll have to do a little bit of landscaping here. That's beautiful. Nice shed over here. Driveway's in good shape. Got a walkout deck for one of the first 4 bedrooms. It's oil, we're gonna convert it to gas. What's up, guys? What's going on? Randy the builder. This is Randy's project. We partnered up on this beautiful project. It's gonna be a 3-bedroom. Doing the framing himself, and he's gonna do most of the work himself along with a helper. So, yeah, he's actually framing up the 3rd bedroom over there. He's gonna put a closet in, and then I'm gonna go upstairs, checklist. Bathroom's gonna get updated, kitchen will get updated. Towards countertops, we're gonna take out the carpet, do hardwood floors. It's actually in decent shape. Whoever lived here took really good care of it. Same thing here, update the kitchen. Refinish the hardwood floors, that are actually in great shape. Update the bathroom a little bit. A lot of painting, a lot of cosmetics. We're just prepping the floors so we don't mess it up. A lot of it is in good shape. This right here is going to be the living room. We're going to frame up, make it another bedroom here with a closet. Kitchen's big enough, so we don't need a formal dining room. It's a rental property. Gonna need some new appliances. It's big enough to fit a dining room table, so it's just going to be the eat-in kitchen. And the new owner wants to get some more room. There's actually an unfinished attic up there. So stay tuned. This one should be ready in about 3 weeks. Should be on the market. Just started today.